Alright guys, so we're going to get into the assembly of the bucket. Just want to go ahead and run through it real quick. We'll be drilling 3/4 inch paddle bit holes for the 1/2 inch grommet and fittings. Those will go here. We do sell these kits at the store complete. The reason I like these DIY buckets, like I said, they've got a flat surface here to drill on, and they've also got these notches here where when you fit your bucket, you can stick your air hose in for an air stone. Those little briars and stuff makes for a cleaner hole so that your fittings fit in there better. Let's open up your farm kit. Also guys, everything you see here we do have for sale here at the store. Alright guys, so you're going to take your rubber grommet, and that's going to be, good idea, if you're going to be putting it together yourself, you can put some Vaseline on these. Okay, and then what you're going to have there guys, in your farm kit, you have your little clip, your 1/2 inch fitting. Alright, this is going to show your water level. Now you're going to have a basket here. Take wire cutters. So guys, you'll just cut halfway between that top bracket. The pump column will fit right in there. Like so. And it will be like this. And always make sure that when you get new rocks that you are rinsing them off to get all of that nasty dust out of there. Alright guys, you want to make sure and rinse those until you're no longer seeing any dust come out of those. Alright guys, so once you are at this point, you are going to break out your air pump. I'm using a 2 outlet because I'm also going to be running an air stone into this. Alright, now that we've got everything plugged in, we're going to make sure that everything is working correctly. We're going to add a few inches of hydroton here. Now, you're going to be tearing off the sides of this so that the roots not only grow out the bottom, but also around the sides. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to have this lined up to where you have one layer of hydroton right above your rock wool and plug. That way you're not getting a bunch of algae or mold or anything like that growing because of the light. And that is your solo drip bucket system. Like I said, we have these here at the store already put together and ready to go with your pump, hoses, baskets, all that good stuff.